Hey guys, welcome back to Product Secrets. Today we have Surf Excel Matic front load specially made for using in washing machines. So let's check all the details and packaging and how it looks inside. At the front part of packet, it's written front load removes tough stains in washing machines, and this is the tagline Surf Excel Matic, which is the branding name. And then if you check out at the back side, you will see here given this product has been specially designed and recommended to be used in front load washing machines. So if you are a first time user, you can take the help given on how to use this rightly in washing machines. Washing tips for your front load washing machines. The first tip is never overload your washing machine. Second tip is check clothing labels for special machine washing instructions. Third tip is do read the owner's manual for more details. Fourth tip is remove hard objects before loading. Then lastly, use Surf Excel Matic front load to remove tough stains in your front load machine for results as good as if washed by hand. Now let's get to know their prices also. So here I have got 1 kilogram packet of detergent powder in which the MRP price given is for 240 rupees, but you can buy this in discounts if you buy them during their sales and offers. And this is a Hindustan Unilever Limited company product, which is an Indian brand. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask them through their websites. All the details are given here. So guys, now let's open the package and see how it looks like inside. So this is it. It comes in this kind of completely white powder. It's not fully powdered. It comes in kind of granules as you can see here. But if you use this powder, they are very effective on your clothes. It cleanses the clothes thoroughly and they won't leave any stains and dirt on your clothes. And after washing with this, it provides a very good smell on the clothes. So guys, that's it all about. If you haven't yet tried this product, then you should definitely try this once. You will see the amazing results from it. If you like this review video, then please like this video, share with your friends, and please consider to subscribe to my channel for many more updates. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.